初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I want to get my nails done.
I want to get my nails done.
我想做美甲。
I want to get my nails done.
I want to get my nails done.
Can I see your nail design book?
Can I see your nail design book?
我能看看你们的美甲设计图册吗？
Can I see your nail design book?
Can I see your nail design book?
This pink color looks so nice.
This pink color looks so nice.
这个粉色看起来真好看。
This pink color looks so nice.
This pink color looks so nice.
I need a simple nail style today.
I need a simple nail style today.
我今天想要一个简单的美甲款式。
I need a simple nail style today.
I need a simple nail style today.
Do you have gel nail polish here?
Do you have gel nail polish here?
你们这里有光疗甲油胶吗？
Do you have gel nail polish here?
Do you have gel nail polish here?
Can you make my nails longer?
Can you make my nails longer?
你能把我的指甲做长一点吗？
Can you make my nails longer?
Can you make my nails longer?
I want to try French nail art.
I want to try French nail art.
我想尝试法式美甲。
I want to try French nail art.
I want to try French nail art.
This glitter color is too shiny.
This glitter color is too shiny.
这个亮片颜色太闪了。
This glitter color is too shiny.
This glitter color is too shiny.
Can you trim my cuticles first?
Can you trim my cuticles first?
你能先帮我修剪一下死皮吗？
Can you trim my cuticles first?
Can you trim my cuticles first?
How long will this manicure take?
How long will this manicure take?
这次美甲需要多长时间？
How long will this manicure take?
How long will this manicure take?
I need to remove my old nail polish.
I need to remove my old nail polish.
我需要卸掉旧的指甲油。
I need to remove my old nail polish.
I need to remove my old nail polish.
Do you have matte nail colors?
Do you have matte nail colors?
你们有哑光色的指甲油吗？
Do you have matte nail colors?
Do you have matte nail colors?
This design is perfect for me.
This design is perfect for me.
这个设计非常适合我。
This design is perfect for me.
This design is perfect for me.
Can you make the nails round?
Can you make the nails round?
你能把指甲修成圆形吗？
Can you make the nails round?
Can you make the nails round?
I want to add some small diamonds.
I want to add some small diamonds.
我想加一些小钻石。
I want to add some small diamonds.
I want to add some small diamonds.
Do you offer nail care service?
Do you offer nail care service?
你们提供指甲护理服务吗？
Do you offer nail care service?
Do you offer nail care service?
This color is too dark for me.
This color is too dark for me.
这个颜色对我来说太深了。
This color is too dark for me.
This color is too dark for me.
Can you file my nails smoothly?
Can you file my nails smoothly?
你能把我的指甲磨光滑一点吗？
Can you file my nails smoothly?
Can you file my nails smoothly?
I need a quick manicure today.
I need a quick manicure today.
我今天需要做一个快速的美甲。
I need a quick manicure today.
I need a quick manicure today.
Do you have summer nail designs?
Do you have summer nail designs?
你们有夏季的美甲款式吗？
Do you have summer nail designs?
Do you have summer nail designs?
This nail polish is easy to chip.
This nail polish is easy to chip.
这个指甲油很容易剥落。
This nail polish is easy to chip.
This nail polish is easy to chip.
Can you make my nails look natural?
Can you make my nails look natural?
你能让我的指甲看起来自然一点吗？
Can you make my nails look natural?
Can you make my nails look natural?
I want to match my dress color.
I want to match my dress color.
我想和我的裙子颜色搭配。
I want to match my dress color.
I want to match my dress color.
Do you have nail stickers for me?
Do you have nail stickers for me?
你们有适合我的指甲贴纸吗？
Do you have nail stickers for me?
Do you have nail stickers for me?
This style is too complicated.
This style is too complicated.
这个款式太复杂了。
This style is too complicated.
This style is too complicated.
Can you do a gel manicure for me?
Can you do a gel manicure for me?
你能给我做一个光疗美甲吗？
Can you do a gel manicure for me?
Can you do a gel manicure for me?
I need to take a break for a while.
I need to take a break for a while.
我需要休息一会儿。
I need to take a break for a while.
I need to take a break for a while.
Do you have nail strengthening care?
Do you have nail strengthening care?
你们有指甲加固护理吗？
Do you have nail strengthening care?
Do you have nail strengthening care?
This color suits my skin tone.
This color suits my skin tone.
这个颜色适合我的肤色。
This color suits my skin tone.
This color suits my skin tone.
Can you fix this broken nail?
Can you fix this broken nail?
你能修补这个断掉的指甲吗？
Can you fix this broken nail?
Can you fix this broken nail?
I want to try a gradient color.
I want to try a gradient color.
我想尝试渐变颜色。
I want to try a gradient color.
I want to try a gradient color.
Do you accept walk-in customers?
Do you accept walk-in customers?
你们接受没有预约的顾客吗？
Do you accept walk-in customers?
Do you accept walk-in customers?
This nail art is very beautiful.
This nail art is very beautiful.
这个美甲非常漂亮。
This nail art is very beautiful.
This nail art is very beautiful.
Can you make the nails shorter?
Can you make the nails shorter?
你能把指甲修短一点吗？
Can you make the nails shorter?
Can you make the nails shorter?
I need to get my toes done too.
I need to get my toes done too.
我也需要做脚趾甲。
I need to get my toes done too.
I need to get my toes done too.
Do you have any new nail designs?
Do you have any new nail designs?
你们有什么新的美甲款式吗？
Do you have any new nail designs?
Do you have any new nail designs?
This manicure looks so pretty.
This manicure looks so pretty.
这个美甲看起来真漂亮。
This manicure looks so pretty.
This manicure looks so pretty.
Can I pay with my mobile phone?
Can I pay with my mobile phone?
我可以用手机支付吗？
Can I pay with my mobile phone?
Can I pay with my mobile phone?
Your nail art skill is amazing.
Your nail art skill is amazing.
你的美甲技术太棒了。
Your nail art skill is amazing.
Your nail art skill is amazing.
Thank you for my lovely nails today.
Thank you for my lovely nails today.
谢谢你今天给我做了这么漂亮的美甲。
Thank you for my lovely nails today.
Thank you for my lovely nails today.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。